Hey y'all, it's Amanda. Thank you for visiting and subscribing to the Amanda Moss Designs YouTube channel. We want to invite you on Saturday, November 10th at 12 p.m. to come and celebrate the launch of Amanda Moss Designs YouTube channel. Our desire is to empower you to stand firm on your faith. And your question is, how can I do that? Well, let me tell you, it's through fashion, through beauty, and most importantly, through the Word of God. With our channel, you are going to meet real industry professionals, hear so many tutorials about makeup, hair products, picking out the right outfit for you. You're going to hear real story testimonials from people who have already experienced things that you have questions about. And of course, there's going to be many how-tos. Now be sure to comment below on what you want to know more about. Okay, y'all, don't forget to share this with a friend and hit that cute little bell button so you can subscribe and keep up with everything that's happening. Thank y'all so much for being a part of the AM Designs tribe and subscribing. And remember, y'all, stand firm on your faith.